Hello, my name's Lee. I just want to recommend CapCool and the incredible service they gave us. We needed urgently an air conditioning unit put in a few months ago. And Farhan and Mohammed have been so incredible. The whole team are brilliant. They're quick, they're efficient, they're lovely, they're professional. They knew exactly what I needed. They listened to everything that were my requirements. They were reasonable. They weren't the most expensive out there. They didn't cut corners. I so highly recommend them that I can't. I can't praise them enough for how professional and excellent they are. And thank God we had it done because then the hot weather kicked in and my son desperately needed it. So. If we get another one done, we'll definitely ask CapCool to come and do it. But it's been fantastic, and their service is brilliant. So that's what I wanted to say in person. Thank you, CapCool.